Hello everybody, it is your friend Steve from Beef 200, and today I am going to be doing a lock-picking type of tutorial thingamajigger. What I have here is a BRINKS 45mm security lock. I got this from a friend of mine's cousin. She was moving, and quite frankly, it was taking too long for her to go get the goddamn key. So, I popped it and started helping her move her shit. Well, anyways, I'm doing this video because I figured everybody likes to learn something new. As you can see, it's well secure and locked. I haven't scratched anything, I haven't broken anything, and the core is not interchangeable with anything. So, unless I take out these rivets here. So, I am using a twisted handle tension wrench. I believe this is a medium. Focus a little bit. I believe this is a medium size. I am using my cell phone for this, so please, don't judge me. I'm using a Southard. I'm not sure if this would be considered a gem or just a hook I bent to shit, but it has been with me for a lot of practice. So, without further ado, let's go. I'm going to go all the way to the back. Oh, there we go. Yeah, in the back there. I'm just going to feel... Oh, there's a click. There's another click. Come on, you just opened for me, you bastard. Reset that. Okay. Go from the front. Oh, false set already. Now, there is at least one security pin in here. This is at a false set. Now, it's not open, but it's at a false set. And there we go. I believe the security pin was number 3. And I believe it was, I think it's a spool. But as you can see, it is open. Core is not interchangeable, and that is BRINKS. So there you go. Don't trust it.